Let's talk about digital transformation and not in the buzzwordy consultant speak way that makes everybody tune out. For some businesses, digital transformation ended the moment they moved from paper to spreadsheets. And honestly, that's a lot more common than you'd probably think. The truth is, real digital transformation goes way beyond swapping out filing cabinets for hard drives. Now, it's not just about going digital. We're talking about reinventing the way that you work. Digital transformation is about rethinking your entire approach to your processes. It's not just about using technology. It's about using it deliberately to unlock more value. Now, there's some examples of this, like adding IoT sensors, tracking equipment usage on job sites, cloud platforms that enable real-time collaboration across a lot of locations, or custom-built software that streamlines an internal workflow. It's all about doing things better, faster, and ideally smarter. Here's the reality, though. The businesses that transform, they thrive. Deloitte did a survey in 2024, and companies that fully embraced a digital transformation model, they experienced about a 23% increase of profitability compared to their peers. And about 45% reported a significant operational efficiency within that first year of implementation. And so this isn't just about chasing the latest tech trend and seeing a new device and going, oh, I want to try and throw this into my work, my processes. It's about gaining real measurable advantages. Let's be clear about that mindset. This isn't just a project. It's not a one-time, set it and forget it sort of thing. Digital transformation it's a strategy, and it is a mindset, and it starts with asking, how are we doing things today? How could we be doing them better with technology? It could mean automating time-wasting manual tasks. It could mean eliminating double data entry between systems. It could mean empowering your team to make decisions faster with real-time dashboards or even artificial intelligence. And what about AI? Yes, AI is everywhere right now. And no, digital transformation doesn't mean replacing your people with machines. I'm going to say that again for the people in the back. Digital transformation is not about replacing your people with artificial intelligence. Instead, it's about augmenting your team, giving them tools that automate the boring, repetitive, swivel cherry type work so that they can focus on high value activities. So there was an example, there was a logistics company that we were working with, and they used AI to predict shipment delays based on whether the weather and the route history, and it reduced the rescheduling costs by a double-digit percentage. I think it was about 30% is what they said. And it was a brilliant way of doing it, and a very simple implementation of AI and some publicly available weather apps. There was a CPA firm, and they used some automation to cut their month-end reporting time down from 6 days to 2, which freed up a lot of staff for more client-facing work, which they felt was a lot more valuable. Now, AI can absolutely be part of the transformation, but only when it solves the right problem in the right way. Now, the pace of this change is accelerating, and here's something to keep in mind. According to McKinsey, technology capabilities double about every 2 years, and that means that the opportunity to improve your business processes, it's also growing faster than ever. And if you're not always kind of exploring ways to evolve, there's a good chance that your competitors are already doing so. And so what does real-world digital transformation look like? A construction firm, could be putting tablets in the field so crews can log time and materials and photos instantly. No more lost paperwork. A manufacturer could be putting IoT sensors to predict machine failures before they happen. And that could reduce downtime significantly. A law firm, you could be moving document management to the cloud, giving staff secure access from courtrooms and client sites. These aren't tech companies. They're everyday businesses that decide to work smarter by implementing the right technology into their business. So where do you start? Digital transformation doesn't have to mean an expensive overhaul. Sometimes it's as simple as replacing an outdated manual process, or integrating two systems that don't talk to each other, or automating the tasks that your team dreads every single month or week or day. It's about progress, not perfection. Now, digital transformation is not a trend. It's a competitive edge. And if you're curious about what it could look like for your business and how to get started, what to prioritize, what makes sense for your size and industry, let's talk. Reach out to us at annealtech.com or inquiries@annealtech.com, and we would love to help you explore what's possible.